So in this next video of DCF, we will talk about something called duration ID field. In the wireless MAC header, we have a field of 2 bytes called duration ID field. This is of 2 bytes. Okay, now the significance of this field is whenever a client has to send traffic, let's say it wants to send a unicast frame to B, how much time it needs to send traffic to B and get the acknowledgement in return, data plus acknowledgement including the SIFS also. Okay, that time in microseconds it will be calculated and put that in duration ID field. So if A is sending any data, it will calculate how much time it needs to occupy the RF medium, and then it will put that value in the duration ID field, let's say 10 microseconds for example. Okay, it will put that 10 microseconds in the duration ID field in the MAC header and start sending data. So anybody around that area or any client in the vicinity should be able to hear that yes, this medium is going to be busy for 10 microseconds. That is the significance of duration ID field. Okay, it will calculate that how much time it needs to send data and also get an acknowledgement back, which means this is going to tell you for how much time the RF medium will be busy before anybody else can even contend for the medium, right? So let me take one more example. This is client number A and it's talking to this AP. Now if this particular client is talking to the AP and sending a frame, in the MAC header, since the traffic is sprayed in the air, right? The traffic will be sprayed in the air. Any client around this, let's say client number B comes in the BSA of the AP, and it also hears the communication happening, which means it should be able to see the MAC header of this communication. Now it understands that yes, in the MAC header I see duration ID field set to 10 microseconds. Now for 10 microseconds, this B has to keep quiet because it understands that yes, this medium is going to be busy and taken by client number A, and it is sending traffic to the AP or communicating or whatever it is doing, it is keeping the medium busy for 10 microseconds. That is the significance of duration ID field. The next thing that we're going to discuss in the next video is carrier sense. We'll take that up in the next video. Thank you.